your school bus van, but yet you're riding on the shoulder. School bus, that is not cool. The lane had already turned green. Or as that famous, I ain't scared of no ghosts. Yeah, this is a DCS trailer. The empty trailer is a DCS trailer. Guess it is what it is. I guess I'll be. This will probably be my last video for. There's really no short loads. Everything else is going up until. See there. I can hear them on the ride. Probably head back to the house, man. I don't really see anything. I think a freaking DCS trailer is the empty trailer. If I'm not mistaken. But hold up like the two right there. Be able to be taken out. And it went. And around for it to show that it was sealed when I dropped it. Boy, that drove that trail like that for a while, or that tire like that for a while. This is one of the problems, right? So here's you can tell where they rode on it for a while like that. Trailer off, pick up our loaded trailer or Worcester, and pick up the Boylston Massachusetts 800, and that's taking it down to Liberty, New York. So until reality hits and you like, God damn it, nigga. Oh yeah.